Chapter 3, Force and Pressure Short Notes.
1.
What is force? Force is an interaction that changes or tends to change the state of motion of an object. C unit is Newton, N. Newton's first law: an object remains at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by a force.
2.
Types of forces. A. Contact forces. Force applied when objects are in direct contact. Examples: muscular force, frictional force. B. Non-contact forces. Act without direct contact. Examples: magnetic force, attraction between magnets. Gravitational force, earth pulling objects downward. Electrostatic force, charged comb attracting paper bits.
3.
Friction. A force that opposes motion. Acts between surfaces in contact. Helps in walking, writing, and stopping vehicles. Reduced friction, example banana peel, can cause slipping.
4.
Balanced and unbalanced forces. Balanced force, equal forces in opposite directions. No movement, net force is equal to 0. Unbalanced force, unequal forces. Causes motion. Example, tug of war. Rope moves if one side pulls harder.
5.
Inertia. Tendency of an object to resist changes in motion. Types. Inertia of rest. Objects at rest stay at rest. Inertia of motion. Moving objects continue to move. Directional inertia. Objects resist change in direction.
6.
Pressure. Definition: pressure is equal to force divided by area. Unit: Pascal, Pa. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 nm superscript 2. It is known as Pascal, Pa. In atmospheric science, the unit for pressure is bar. 1 bar is equal to 10^5 Pa. Pressure is a scalar quantity. Smaller area is equal to higher pressure. Example, needle, sharp knife. Larger area is equal to lower pressure. Example, camel's feet.
7.
Pressure in solids and liquids. Solids. Pressure depends on weight and contact area. Liquids. Pressure is exerted in all directions and increases with depth. Example, balloon inflates when bottle is filled. Shows water pressure. 1 atmosphere is equal to 101 by 103 pascals is equal to 1 bar is equal to 103 MBAR. 1 MBAR tilde 102 pascals, hectopascal. Atmospheric pressure is specified in the units MBAR or hectopascal, HPA. Buoyant force. The upward force acting on the object in water or other fluid or gas is called buoyant force, FB. Buoyant force depends on 2 factors.
1.
Volume of the object. The buoyant force is more if the volume of the dipping object is more.
2.
Density of liquid. more the density of liquid, more is the force of buoyancy. Archimedes' principle. When an object is partially or fully immersed in a fluid, a force of buoyancy acts on it in the upward direction. This force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. Archimedes was a Greek scientist and a mathematician with sharp intelligence. He found out the value of pi is equal to 3.14 by numerical calculations. Density of substance and relative density. Density is equal to mass volume. The C unit of density is kgm3. Relative density is equal to density of substance density of water.